Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, right now I'm going to show you where you can find it. So for the first, let's go for example for the browser, and we are going to download the picture, maybe picture of the Cristiano Ronaldo. So click here, tap on the graphic, and maybe we can get this picture. So click here, tap and hold, and click on the download. Click on the continue, click allow, and right now we have to go for the files. Let's click once again, click continue right here and enter downloads. And as you can see here, we got the picture of Cristiano Ronaldo that we get from the Google Chrome. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.